a hamburger, big old hamburger.
Quack, 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 quack.
We had
Quack.
all one order, so it's pretty good.
It worked out perfect, really.
I guess tomorrow we'll probably go to Longhorn.
Yeah.
I ain't been there in a long time.
Where is that at?
It's just right there at the beginning of Turkey Creek. You can go up past Dixie Lee Liquor and take a left.
It's up close where Stanton is. The eyeglass place.
Yeah. Where that Wiggles used to be on the right, there's a red light. You can take a left and it'll like back road you to
Yeah.
pretty much where it's at.
Just gotta get up or start off Campbell Station Road.
Hey, Charlie, if you don't mind, I just want to turn the light on 1 minute
Yeah,
to get Greg in sunglasses. Here, put them back on.
Briella's fitting them on me.
Well,
Quack, 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 quack.
yeah. It was good tonight. Gondolier.
Quack, 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 quack.
Can you show me how to?
You're on the wrong page
I
again,
know
honey.
it.
Hit that little button on the very bottom. Hit one of those little buttons.
One of them.
Yeah. Well, hit the middle one.
I don't know.
The middle one on the very bottom. There's 3 little buttons on the bottom. Yeah. You just hit one of them. No, on the very bottom. That's the very middle.
This phone.
There you go. Right back there. Now look for the red one, the camera.
Okay, I'm still learning his new. It's mine, and I'm still learning it.
Quack, 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 quack.
Now we have to turn
Quack.
it on you, so see, it's on me. Which one of these? See, this is on me.